Guess what? No trails today either, guys. No, it's still muddy, man. Still muddy. That's okay. Want to go to a graveyard? Yeah. We're going to go to Greendale Cemetery. Been there about a year ago. Didn't spend a lot of time there. I did a forgotten grave. We're not doing a forgotten grave today, but we're just going to walk through there. If I can't do a trail, I'm going to do a graveyard. Yes, this might seem a little morbid, but I feel comfortable in graveyards too. Come on, let's go. It'll be fun. I'd like to welcome you guys to Greendale Cemetery. This place, a lot of people come and walk their dogs. A lot of people come and look at the beautiful graves. It's a pretty good sized cemetery. Today I'm here with Ange and Stormy. That's right. We're going to do some walking around here, see what we can see. And this might sound morbid, but I'm going to get some beauty. Now, I find beauty in cemeteries. I do. That's just me. And since we can't do any trails, won't be able to do any fishing, we're going to do the next best thing. We're going to walk around the cemetery. Now, I've done this before. I've got this on video before, but never with the GoPro Black. Let's get started. The last time I was here in the cemetery, I did a forgotten grave here. Let's go see if that plaque is still there, okay? I remember that day was bitter cold. Oh my God, was it ever. But I came over here and I did a forgotten grave on one of these tombstones. Well, we're going to see if that plaque is still there. And has it been about a year?
Pretty sure.
Yeah, pretty close to a year. Okay. Oh, Angie found it. There it is, guys, right there. Here's the plaque I put here approximately about a year ago. I'd be a son of a gun. It's still there. I will link that video down in the description if you want to watch it. I don't know if it was quite a year ago, but I do know it was freezing cold the day I did it. And I wanted to do some more footage, but oh my God, it was bitter cold that day. You know, it may not be a bad idea, actually, Angie. Go to all these other places that we put plaques on graves and see if they're still there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I am still going to do a forgotten grave in the near future, but that's in the near future. We stopped doing that because I got to thinking I want to put plaques on all the graves. But I was picking and choosing graves that's been seriously forgotten about for many, many years. That's how I was doing it. And plus, I don't know, it was kind of hard to find a cemetery I didn't do without going out of the state of Indiana. All right, guys, let's continue on. Let's get some beauty. I know that's morbid, but to me it's beauty. You know, it doesn't really matter what cemetery you're in. All cemeteries have that uniqueness to them in every different way, you know. And all you gotta do is open your eyes and you can see beauty all around. Yes, this is a place for dead people. It's where they bury our loved ones, but it's still peaceful. It's still beautiful. Oh my gosh, I do have something to tell you. I might have said this on my videos before, but many years ago when I used to be a ghost hunter, there was some reports in this particular cemetery. I can't remember what they were, but one night in the middle of the night we came up here and investigated. Something like 2 o'clock in the morning. Now you're not allowed in here at 2 o'clock in the morning, but we did it. We didn't disturb any graves. We didn't do anything wrong, but we came up here at 2 a.m. to do an investigation. Of course, my friend Steve at the time thought we picked up some stuff. Me, I'm like, nah, that's just lights. But yeah, my gosh, that was what, about 25 years ago? Yeah, that long ago. All right, let's continue on. All right, we're getting ready to come up against another dog. Dog's on a leash. The guy's walking a dog. But as soon as Stormy sees this dog, she's gonna probably start acting all brand new. Yeah, maybe not. See if she still remembers any of my training. Oh, there's 2 dogs. There ain't one, there's 2. This should be quite interesting. Good girl. To me. To me. Stormy, stop. Sit. Stormy, sit. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. Let them pass. Yeah, we're going to head up this way. Or should we, you know what, should we go that way? Okay, I am very proud of Stormy. She's seen the 2 doggies. And okay, let's continue this way. And she did very well, so she remembers that training I gave her. Now I mentioned back in a couple videos that we had Stormy trained, right? Now the trainer was in the same town this is in, Greendale, Indiana. And it's funny because the way to get here is the same way we went to the trainer. And that's been, oh shoot, back in 2015 or 16, that many years ago, it was since we was there last. And somehow Stormy remembered it. Because whenever we used to go to the trainer, she used to get really excited. And Richie got excited because he just gave her bone, you know, bone biscuit after bone biscuit. And she remembered that. So out of all these years, and that dog's taking a douche. Sorry. I'm sure you guys want to know that. And I think that guy just heard me say his dog was taking a douche. But anyway, after all these years, she still remembered where this place was. That's pretty awesome if you want to know the truth. Alright guys, there's going to be some footage on here. I actually thought I had the camera turned around. You know, it was a playground off of this thing, and I was going to get like, okay, this is weird. But it was facing me, so that footage will not go on YouTube. That footage is probably going to go on my One Bubba Mike 1 Facebook. So if you type in One Bubba Mike 1 Facebook, there you go. There you see some behind the scenes footage, my mess ups, and pictures, guys. And we can actually have conversations there if you want. More so than here on YouTube. All right, we're gonna get some beauty over that way. And I don't know, there's a big beautiful ball I want to get on video. Okay, let's get some more beauty. Okay, this video is getting ready to come to an end. We put it in about a mile and a half here. There's so much I did not get on video. It would be a 3-hour video if I got everything, maybe longer than that. But guys, Greendale Cemetery, freaking awesome. Now we're hoping next weekend. We haven't gotten a rain schedule for a whole week. Yeah, I believe that when I see it. So if next weekend's, you know, drier, which it should be, we're going to do some trails. That's right. We're going to hit as many trails as we can. Oh, it's so beautiful, that sound. Isn't that beautiful? A crow, or I don't know, that could be a raven or a crow. I don't know, maybe ravens sound different. Two of my favorite birds, by the way, is crows and ravens. But guys, here's my car. We decided to park on a no outlet street because we had like a little gate coming in, and it was perfect. It's been a good adventure. Now the next video, we're headed to Batesville Reservoir. There's a place we fished over a year ago there, and we'll talk more about it then. So guys, tune in for the next video. It is going to be awesome. We're going back there with Stormy. We're gonna go look, see, we're not fishing. We're just gonna get some beauty of the reservoir, and we're just gonna do it up right, man. Do it up right. It's been fun. What do you think? I enjoyed it this morning. I did. And the beauty of this is we didn't even get rained on.
No.
So when we was in Versailles, my God, no, on the way up there it started raining. And no sooner we got out of the car, we was able to get a little bit of footage, and it started raining. Then it stopped, then we get out of the car, get a little bit more footage, it started raining. And then we noticed all the trails were closed, man. Well, the bike ones was. And guys, the reason I don't like to do trails in the mud, because I've had some accidents. Lots of accidents. Okay, we better get in the car because there's a dog right over there. All right, guys, until next time, until our next adventure. Come on, let's get out of here.